That's fucking cool. Feel bad for him, you know. Still gonna send it. Oof, good morning. Back at it, baby. Last day with stock exhaust, about to go straight pipe. Fucking cop Dodger gang. What you know about that life? Fucking no inspection, boys. Oh, fuck. I got the frost in the windshield and shit. Let's see what we got here. Nice and cold. Got my babies here relaxing. This is sad. Yeah, bless you guys with one more cold start on stock exhaust. Another dropped off the Rad Automotive. I got my boy Kevin and Richie working on the John. Getting that straight pizzy. I'm laying pipe out here in the streets. Catch me? Shit. It's popping with y'all. Monetized. Alright, last ride stock. This thing is fucking snappy right now. This fucking ice cold weather is stripping me out. Might as well take advantage. Fucking dude, this road got fucked. Stock clutch, boys. Wouldn't expect anything else. Here's this fucking thing. Nice rig, Kevin. Maybe we can run it. Yeah, I'm here. Where we stand. Shouts out. See you soon.